Welcome to Marihealthandfit channel. Papaya puree can be a great addition to your breakfast if you are looking to lose weight. Here's a simple recipe that you can try. Ingredients: 1 ripe papaya, 1/2 cup of plain low-fat yogurt, 1/4 cup of rolled oats, 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 1 teaspoon honey, optional. Instructions: 1. Cut the papaya in half and remove the seeds and skin. 2. Cut the papaya into small pieces and put them in a blender or food processor. 3. Add the plain low-fat yogurt, rolled oats, unsweetened almond milk, and honey, if using, to the blender. 4. Blend all the ingredients until you get a smooth puree. 5. Pour the puree into a bowl and garnish with some sliced fruits, nuts, or seeds of your choice. This papaya puree breakfast bowl is a nutrient-dense meal that can help you feel full and satisfied for longer. The fiber from the oats and papaya can help regulate your digestion and keep your blood sugar levels in check, while the protein from the yogurt can help build and repair muscles. Additionally, the low-fat and low-calorie content of this recipe can aid in weight loss when consumed as part of a balanced diet.